Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Nail Art by Nessa. This is my second video of AliExpress stamping nail art hauls. So today we will be opening all of these packages. Almost done. So the first package we're going to be opening today is by a seller off of AliExpress, Beauty Bigbang official store. And I ordered this May 29th. It didn't arrive till August 24th. I have 3 items in this package. And this package cost me $10.16, including shipping, and that is Canadian dollars. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so first we have the stamper. So it's a Beauty Bigbang stamper. And it comes with their card here. And it is fairly even, so you might not need to... Oh, it feels a little rough right here. So you probably want to go over the edges with a nail file just to make sure it's nice and smooth when you go to scrape. And here's the stamper. So it does come with a nice lid, which is always good for keeping the top clean. And this one is a little bit firmer, maybe. And it's not sticky, so you can see my finger does not stick to it. But it is nice and clear. Nice, easy to see through. It's fairly large. So we'll have to do a video where I test all of my stampers. I guess it's kind of similar to the one I opened in my last video. But we'll test that out. If you would like to see a video where I test all of my stampers, please comment below. Okay, so we'll start with the small plate. So Beauty Bigbang number 17. And this one is a Pride plate. I ordered it thinking that it would be here for summer because I ordered it in May. And I was living in Vancouver, where Pride is usually at the end of July. However, it didn't come till the end of August, so I missed it. But it is a really cute one here. Pride flag. Yeah, so maybe next summer. Okay, and the next one. This one got a little bent in the package, maybe because it was leaning up against this. I was able to bend it back, however, you can still see there's a little bit of a ripple. It's not bad, but it is there. Kind of see it there. Goes right along here. So hopefully I'll still be able to use it. But regardless, I'll be able to use the images on the sides here. So they've got a few like layered flowers here. Sort of layered lily pads. And the butterflies where you can add details. So for instance, this part will color in these parts of this butterfly, and then this would be the edging. We have a couple of different leaves here, a bird, a rose, so we've got a few different choices. Okay, moving on to our next package. So this package is also from Beauty Bang official store. And I ordered this one May 29th, and it arrived July 14th. It's only one plate, and it cost me $4.18, including shipping. Okay, so this one is Beauty Bigbang XL 99. And it is all sort of like snakeskin. There's a zebra print here. Maybe this is crocodile. I'm no expert. We got like a gecko and a snake here, which is kind of cool. It looks like a wolf. Yeah. Okay. If you would like to see a tutorial on this nail plate, please comment and let me know. Okay, so this next package is from Beauty BigBang makeup store. So this one actually came from a slightly different seller. So I ordered it May 5th. It arrived August 24th. And this one was refunded because it took so long. The package protection time ran out and they actually refunded my money. And then, so it was originally $4.30, but I got that back. So this plate ended up being free because it took so long. Okay, and this one is a unicorn plate. So you can see all the little unicorns. So this one is Beauty BigBang XL number 7. And it's got some nice unicorn images. I really like this cloud image. And a few that we could color in and make some decals. Okay. Alright, this next package is from Beauty BigBang Nail Art Store. So once again, a different seller. Very similar names, but technically a different seller. This one arrived May 18th, or sorry, I ordered it May 18th. It arrived June 10th. And it was $18.71. And I have 5 plates here. So the first one, XL number 12. And this one is all owls. They are very large images. So you can see like my nail. I could almost do it this way. So they're very large nail plates. You could use part of an image on one nail and the other part on another. These guys would fit nicely on your nail. I really like the little eyes down there, so you could just put some eyes on your nail. Okay, next. So Beauty BigBang XL number 67. And this one is especially for St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. So once again, they're very large images. Like, I could probably just fit like half of it on my nail. Which is great if you have really long nails. It will cover your nail. So Beauty BigBang XL 62. And this one has different plaids and argyles. And then flowers, pineapple, strawberries that you can layer on top. And the pineapple would be really cute. And of course the maple leaf is always good when you're here in Canada. So Beauty BigBang XL number 1. And just so you know, they do have the nice covers on the back. I find that the plates that don't have the plastic coverings, they bend so easy. I've had a few come in the mail that are totally damaged, which we'll eventually get to. So this one has fruit, seashells, some tropical leaves. This one reminds me of the 20s or the 30s. And some tropical flowers here. Okay, and last, this one is Beauty BigBang XL number 71. For some reason, I want to keep saying Big Bang Beauty instead of Beauty BigBang. But these, once again, are very large images. So you can see, like, there's no way that shark would fit on my nail. Even on my thumb. The surfer girl is really cute. And for people who like aquatic themes, you've got a few different items you can use. You got like the sailboat. Yeah. Okay. Moving on to the next. So, Beauty Bigbang Nail Art Store is the name of this seller. So it's the same as the last one. This one I ordered May 19th. It didn't arrive until August 24th. And it was refunded. So this one originally cost me $4.30 Canadian, but it was refunded because once again, it just took way too long to arrive. So this one is like sort of a rainy theme. A little cat in the rain. So this is XL number 59. In from the rain, you got a guy covering a dog from the rain. So yeah, lots of little choices. Little cat sitting at the window. It's like my cat. So that was free. Okay, and next we're moving on to a new seller. So this is Jiji Nail Art Products is the name of the seller on AliExpress. This one was also refunded. I ordered it May 3rd. It didn't arrive till August 28th. So I definitely waited a while for that. Originally though, these two plates only cost me $3.62. Okay. So we got some fun little shapes there. Kind of like this. It reminds me of like Tron. I don't know if you guys remember that movie from the 80s. I guess they did make a remake, but it reminds me of the original. Lightning bolts, sort of bloody hands. Or maybe that's paint smeared hands. Okay, and then the second one, sort of space themed. You got a cat in space. It says space out. So it looks like there's a scratch there, but just so you know, it's only on the plastic, so it doesn't go through to the metal. And astrological signs. And these ones you need to be careful. There is no backing on the back. So they could cut you. They're a little sharp on the edges. There are options that you can buy online from AliExpress, which I did order from another seller where you buy just the plastic backings to attach these to. So if you're interested, I can show you in another video. Just comment below and I can show you those. And next from the same seller, Jiji Nail Art Products. I ordered this one March 18th. It didn't arrive till July 27th. And they were refunded. I originally paid $2.67 Canadian. These are nail foils. So with these you do need some nail foil glue. And we'll just go through the different designs that came in here. So they're kind of like space looking with flowers. Another one stuck to it. Oh, these are really stuck together. Unless that's the same one. No, there's definitely two there. So maybe some of them stick together. Okay, I can't get that one apart. Oh, and as you can see, this one is stuck together too. Because you can definitely see how the design is different. Oh, there we go. Okay. So a few different designs. If they do stick together, I mean, there's not much you can do. I had a few other nail foils that I bought before that were stuck together. And they just peeled off on each other, so. But we got these for free, so I guess we can't really complain. And sorry, that was my TV turning off in the background. Okay, so that's all of these designs. I can get this one apart. Yeah, it's really stuck together. So I don't know if you'd be able to actually use this design that's on top. It's not coming apart. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's the image that we couldn't see. Okay. Let's just put these away. And we'll check out the next batch. They're kind of staticky. So once again, with these nail foils, you do need to have special nail foil glue. And if you would like me to do a few swatches of these, please let me know in the comments. So this one comes with quite a variety of flower ones. Some of them are see-through, so you'd be able to place them over a nail design if you wanted. The orchids would actually look pretty cute with this design I have on my nails. So quite a few choices. And like I said, I got this for free. However, it was originally $2.67 for the 2 packs. Okay, that's everything I have for you for today. Tune in to my next video where we'll be opening this entire box of packages. So quite a lot to go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.